The NemoHome Mini Fridge Leak Mat 24x24 Gray is a great addition. It can save your floors from unexpected mini fridge leaks. This silicone mat acts like a silent guardian. It sits beneath your appliance. The inclined raised edge is smart. It will contain any water spills. This helps prevent damage to your flooring. You can have peace of mind. This mat is a simple yet effective solution. It protects against appliance leaks. The 24 inches by 24 size fits most mini fridges. The gray color has a neutral appearance. It can easily blend into different room styles. Cleaning the NemoHome Mini Fridge Leak Mat 24x24 Gray is easy. You can simply wipe it down. This mat helps avoid potential water damage. It can also prevent mold growth. For anyone with a mini fridge, the NemoHome Mini Fridge Leak Mat 24x24 Gray is useful. It offers practical protection. It does this without complicated adjustment. Think of it as a safety net for your floors. It's durable and reliable. You can avoid costly repairs. This mat is a smart investment. It adds a layer of security. It protects your home from accidental leaks. Pros: protects from leaks, inclined raised edge, good size. 24x24. Made of silicone, durable material, waterproof design, non-slip surface, easy to clean. Dishwasher safe, prevents shifting. Floor protection cons: some users found it thinner, might not stop all leaks, could be slick when new, no internal slope to drain, no sides to stop all spills, listed as grill mat by 1, thickness might hinder rolling, doesn't guarantee waterproof, may not suit soft carpets well, could be seen as just okay. Features: silicone material, refrigerator mat, for mini fridge, protects from leaks, inclined raised edge, gray color, NemoHome brand, appliance protection, floor protection. This 24x24 inch gray mat made of silicone is designed by NemoHome to go under a mini fridge. It helps keep your floor safe if the fridge leaks any water. The mat has edges that are a little bit raised and slanted. So if there's a leak, the water will stay on the mat. This makes it easier to clean up and stops the water from getting onto your floor. This 24x24 inch gray NemoHome mat is made of silicone and has raised edges to help protect your floor from leaks from a mini fridge. It's waterproof, non-slip, durable, and easy to clean, even in the dishwasher. While it's a good size and prevents shifting, some users found it thin, and it might not stop all big spills as it has no internal slope or high sides. Also, it could be a bit slick when new and might not be the best for soft carpets, with some considering it just okay.